Very good. Now we look at the final organ or element called the spleen. Now, if we take our fingers and create like a point and move it a little bit to the left under the left rib and press a little bit under that left rib, we feel the spleen, like a little bit of a nauseous feeling if you press deep enough. Here we have the earth element. The earth element is associated not just with the spleen, but with the pancreas and the stomach, in a sense, our whole digestive tract from our mouth to our anus. But the spleen is the center point. The color is yellow, like a beautiful mustard yellow is how I see it. It's how I painted the belly of my apartment when I feng shuied it. When we do the spleen sound, we take our fingers. It is the only sound where we actually touch and press the organ. And the sound is a whoo sound, W-H-O. Okay? And we press in. And then we let our hands rest. So let's now look into our spleen. Come in connection with your spleen and look for any worry or anxiety. Worry and anxiety that you have. And we're going to bring into that worry and anxiety openness, fairness, equalness, oneness with all. So feel that energy as it enters that worry and anxiety. Open up the eyes, press the fingers in, inhale with the nose. Smile to the spleen, beautiful color yellow. Feel the spleen smiling back to you with openness, fairness, equality. Smile to the spleen and feel the spleen smiling back. And as you feel the spleen smiling back, beautiful color yellow, feel the heart, beautiful color red, smiling back with love, compassion, honor, respect. And feel the spleen and the heart joined with the liver, beautiful color green, filled with kindness, generosity. And feel the kidneys, beautiful color blue, with gentleness, trust. And the lungs, beautiful color white, with strength and courage. Feel all of the 5 organs smiling to you, and you smiling to those organs. Feel your organs thanking you for balancing them. And thank your organs for giving you health, life, and connection. When you feel your organs balanced in this way, you feel a connection to 5 elements above you and beyond you. And you can feel a resonance. That calmness is a resonance with the 5 elements of the universe.